After organizing my gaming room, I was able to find the perfect position for all the furniture and everything to be on the right spot. So probably you watched before my gaming room, and this table was there, that furniture was there, but the position was not good. The space was not good for the chair. So I changed everything, but this video is not to show you this, but also show the little details of my gaming collection and all the stuff that I have in my gaming room. So let's start from here. First, this is the Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Collector's Edition. So I was able to get this already open for sure, so it's not sealed, but here I have that. I have the Lego Zelda. So also you have the two options on this collection. You can have Breath of the Wild or Ocarina of Time. This is the Breath of the Wild. We have Link and Zelda here, the Master Sword as well. And also we have the things of the Ocarina of Time. If you want, you can change the layout for that. If you want that, it's gonna look like the...
And the tree is also different for...
Exactly, so it's gonna have a gate, if I'm not mistaken. And this guy here, when you
shake
it, it makes noise,
this
right?
is really nice, yeah.
Yeah.
What is his name?
I forgot his name. I know it's called Colorado,
yeah,
something like that. Yeah. So here there's a picture with my grandfather. Here we have the arcade stick that I have for the PlayStation 2. This is from Hori. So it was a gift from a friend from work. Elden Ring Night Rain Collector's Edition. To be honest, I never played the game. I didn't open the case. I was like, oh, I don't want to open. So I didn't open yet, but I'm going to play this. I know that you can play with one player, single player, or with up to 3 friends. This is my Itachi. I'm a huge fan of Naruto. I love this anime. I'm a huge fan of this one. And the action figure for the Elden Ring, it's here. So, yes.
We bought this
in
IKEA.
IKEA. So we bought this this little niche or whatever the name of this. I forgot the name of that. And also I have a Spider-Man. This is a cheap version of everything, but as you can see, we left a little bit outside. So when you see from this angle, you can see like it goes a little bit outside. It comes with the comic book. This was like cheap, like $30. But it's really nice, and I like it. So it's part of my collection here. Also, here in this part, we have a few items of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. So I have my OLED Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition. Also have the little amiibo for Zelda. I have the controller, the Pro controller for the Switch one, for the Zelda. And I have more stuff, but it's not here. I don't know why. Now I'm thinking, but it's somewhere, someplace else. A Game Boy Advance. This is not. This is the original one, so the screen is terrible to see. But that's the perfect way that we used to play in the 2000. And here I have a game, Street Fighter Alpha 3. So that's the only game I have right now. I want to do videos here on the channel, modding it, putting a better screen, but maybe in the future. This is the Roost. I forgot what is his name. Brewster, right? On the Animal Crossing. Yeah, this is a cup, glass holder.
He bought for me, but it's so cute that
Yeah, we don't want to use it.
Yeah,
use with water or anything here. So I keep everything here. This part is from my Nintendo Switch. This is from Nintendo Switch to my husband. Yes, my wife gave it to me. I have the Super Nintendo here, the Switch NES collection, Nintendo Championship. I also already opened that. Toki, Retro Collector Edition. So when you build everything together, it's really nice. It becomes like an arcade for the Switch one. I had the box for my Nintendo Switch 2 over there.
Put down your games.
And some of my games here. So my Nintendo Switch games I have. And the Switch 2 games, I only have... Actually, I have 3 games, right? For the Switch 2, Mario Kart World. Stories of Season, I bought this one so she can play, but she barely played this game. She likes to play Animal Crossing. Donkey Kong Bonanza. I have a few Pokemon cards over there. I have a few cards here. Here Going down, we have the Super Nintendo. I have the Super Nintendo here with Super Mario World. That's the only cartridge I have. So that's the only one I have. I want to buy Chrono Trigger, but you guys already know how much is Chrono Trigger, right? So yes. Here the controller I have. Going to this side, we're gonna have some stuff for the PlayStation 5. So I can show you that I have the 30 year.
Favorite.
That's my favorite. It's the 30th anniversary for the PlayStation. So it's the PlayStation 5 controller, the DualSense controller. It's sealed. I'm not gonna open that. I should, but I'm not. I'm not opening. I also have here in my collection a GTR, like Hot Wheels GTR, because I love cars. And I have just a small collection of games. And here I have, in my opinion, this game in the future is gonna worth a lot of money because it was discontinued. So most people, like the company, they took out of the games from sale. So I have brand new and sealed. Also have a mug from the Gran Turismo 1. I bought this in Brazil, so I still have that with me. I have the 2 DualSense controllers, like regular controllers. Everybody saw those. And because I got the pre-order of the Assassin's Creed Shadows, I got this 2, I don't know, like postcards, something like that for Assassin's Creed Shadows. Maybe one day I will put in a frame or something like that. Okay, so let me sit down here so I can show you guys other stuff I have. This is for the time machine from Back to the Future, the Lego. Lego is complicated because if you touch too much, it's gonna break.
Yeah, no, totally.
You have some versions you can build for the first movie, the second, or the third.
Yes.
This is the
First
the
one.
first, okay. And you can have like this, so you can fly.
Yeah, I think that's the version from movie 3.
Yeah, I think so. And there's a light that it's like illuminating inside. All right. And
This is really nice. This is really nice. We spent, I guess, 18 hours building
something like
this
that.
Lego.
Yeah, it was a lot to build.
It was a Sunday.
Was a Sunday. We had a lot of fun. So here, on the left side here, I have a collection of PlayStation 4 games. So this is my controller, my clear controller. I love clear stuff because I was born in the 80s, 90s. So yeah, I love it. This is a gray, metallic gray. And then I have a few games for the PlayStation 4, as you guys can see.
You have a lot.
I have a lot, and it's not a lot. I could have more. But this is the game cards for the Witcher, Gwent. Don't know if you guys remember that, the Gwent. I had the Witcher 3 as well as one of my favorite games of all times. Cyberpunk for the PlayStation 4. You guys know that it doesn't work well. And here I have the 3 missing games for my PSP. I made a video about the PSP. So Metal Gear Acid. This is a movie. It's a movie.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is a movie. And another game. I don't have like the case for that, but yes.
What else?
What else we have here? Going down, my Sega Dreamcast. I also show a video. I was making like modification on that. I put a GDMU. Yes, I have a GDMU here with a SD card, and I put this clear case. I have 3 of the original games. I have Sonic. I don't have the manual on this one. I paid I don't know, less expensive because of that. Crazy Taxi and Sega Rally, one of my favorite games. I love racing games. I have the controllers, and here my controller, and I have the VMU as well. Oops. I have the VMU, black VMU.
This is really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's almost the color of the console, as you can see. Yes, it matches the console. So the VMU, and here on this side I have my PlayStation 1 with the original controller, right? So some people didn't know that, but the first PlayStation 1 had these controllers without the analog sticks. Here we had the PlayStation 1. Yeah, really nice. One of my favorite consoles, and a few games that I have for the PlayStation 1. So when my father gave me the PlayStation 1, he gave me the Gran Turismo Japanese version. So I played this one when I was a kid, and I have a huge connection with the musics on this. Look, There's not even one scratch.
Yeah.
There's a little bit. It's
new.
brand new. It's amazing. I love this game. And then, all right, now we need to go stand up to show more stuff here. Probably you guys already know. I have the G29 with the stick, with the support. It's basic stuff, but I have a lot of fun with that. I love racing games, as I already said. My computer, so my desk here, I have this little like lamp from PlayStation with Alexa colors and everything, so I can change the colors that I want. I like the purple color right now. Also, I have the laptop gamer I have is the M16 from Asus. Simple monitor for Samsung. I have the webcam. The webcam here is a really simple one from Red Dragon. I used to broadcast, but I'm not doing this anymore, so I should have another microphone from HyperX. It's a simple microphone here, but it's been a while. I don't stream anymore. I should stream, but it takes a lot of time, and you know, like life is busy. PlayStation Portal. I had the black version. I love this color, but the device could be better. So yes, maybe we can talk about this in another video. My PSP. I love cars, as I already said. My RX-7 from the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. This is cheap stuff. My TV here is a 65 LG G5. We already talked about this TV. It's amazing TV. It's amazing for video games and everything. I have the Sonos Arc Ultra and the Sub 4. The Sub 4 is over there. It can wake the neighbors. Yes, but I don't wake no neighbors because I'm polite. My mom taught me manners. I have my CRT TV. This is a 32-inch Triniton Sony. All right, it's really nice. Somebody donated to me, so I have a lot of fun with this TV playing my old video games like the PlayStation 1, the 2, and I need to buy a cable to put my Dreamcast, because the Dreamcast I only have like HDMI adapter, but it's gonna look really nice on this TV as well. It's really heavy, but I don't know exactly the weight. I used to joke and say 600 pounds, but people get mad at me when I say that, but it's not.
It's just a joke, guys.
It's just a joke. Like, it's really heavy, all right? So here, the few things that I have. This is a light or something, LED light from Devon.
And you can personalize.
You can personalize that. So from the name is TimesGate. They sent me that a while ago. They were really cool. They sent me for free. So I'm really grateful for this gift. So if you guys want to buy this, the name is TimesGate from Devon.
Oops.
I think, yeah, you got it? Yeah. So you can personalize that as well. My Nintendo Switch 2. My PlayStation 3. I already made videos here. You guys probably watched it already. My PlayStation 2 with a few games and PSP games. Here we have my GameCube. I just have one game for the GameCube. It's Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2. That's the only game I have so far, but I'm going to buy more games. And here, PlayStation 5 for sure. The one that I played the most. Even though we don't have many games for that, right? We don't have many games, but okay. And my Xbox Series X, right? With a few games of Xbox One and Xbox 360 over there. If I show you each one, we're gonna take forever because I have a lot of games. I can make more videos with more details. But basically, this is everything I have. Did you forget anything?
No,
Camera
I
girl?
don't think so. Yeah, let me see.
I think I showed everything, all the details here. So the two chairs that I have here, because here in the United States,
This is your dream,
me and my wife.
your
Yeah.
dream room.
That's my dream room. I'm really happy with everything here. The way it is right now, that was the perfect position that I found for me so that I can spend
They
good
give
time.
us more space.
Give me more
too.
space here.
Yeah.
So that's it.
We are,
So-
yeah, and we are also thinking about like adding some frames there. Or,
exactly. Some posters.
Yeah.
I want to buy a furniture for this TV, but I need to buy a really good furniture for this TV.
Yeah, because it's too heavy.
Because it's extremely heavy, and I'm scared of putting any furniture and then it breaks, and you know. But I need to find something to put the TV. Yes, basically that's my gaming room. I'm really happy to have that. I spend most of my time here, even though most of my time like my days off, right? Because we all work. And most of the free time I have, I come here to play my Nintendo Switch and my PlayStation and make videos for you guys here on this channel or the other YouTube channel that I have in Portuguese as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Guys, if you really like this kind of content about retro games or video games in general, or gaming room, sometimes a little bit of vlogs, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the like button. See you guys next time.